Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with some happy mail from Miss Margaret L. And I opened it. Well, you can see she loaded it with tape. So I'm going to put it on the side of me and open it. And we'll get to seeing what's inside of it. We have a little heart from the top. And I still don't have it all the way open, guys. Man, she really loaded it with tape to this time. Okay, we're finally inside. Okie dokie. We first have some assorted cards. Then we have some flashcards. These aren't going to be shown just yet. Okay. We have the 50 states map. It's a 2-pack. Ideas with that? We have some, what are these? Kitchen towels? I think so. It's a Easter bunny. Let me see if I can pull one out and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, these are so cute. Pull that out. Look at that, how pretty. Oh, it's a, looks like a table runner for Easter. Ooh, okay. There's 2 of those. They're both the same. Then, oh, we got 3 of those. Let's see what's in here. Oh, woohoo! Got some clips, quilting clips here. Woohoo! More quilting clips, guys. More quilting clips. Well, we'll see what to do with those. I have an idea. Then we have let's see what we have here. Different candies. Oh, look at this, how cute. Taste testing, here we come. We have that one. Well, let's do this. That one. Put that to the side. That's the side. We have that one. Let me get a zipper carpet. Then we have this one. Guys, the ideas I'm having with just the paper. We have that one. We have this one. Sorry for all the crinkling, for those that don't like it. We also have these. I think they're more Russian candies. Let's see. I'll tell y'all where they're from. They're Russian, I believe. It doesn't say. Well, it's all written in a different language I can't read. So we have this one. And we have this one. Oh, I like that paper. See how pretty? So that is our happy mail from Miss Margaret L. So again, taste tests are coming. Let me undo this box. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Or when there's more videos to come. For announcements and such. So please stay tuned for those. And also, be safe, be kind, be well. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye, crafty angels.